Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a picture collage for CapCut videos. To get started, open the CapCut app and make sure you're in your editing workspace. This is where you'll build the collage by layering multiple images in the same frame. If you're new to CapCut, don't worry. The process is simple once you understand that each photo can be placed on its own layer and then resized and moved into position. Next, drag your sample picture into the timeline. This first image will act as the base of your collage, so place it where you want the collage to begin in your project. When the image appears in the timeline, you'll be able to see it in the preview area at the top. That preview window is where you'll make most of your visual adjustments. After that, drag another picture above the first picture in the timeline. Placing it above the original creates a new layer, which allows both images to appear together instead of replacing one another. This is the key to building a collage in CapCut. You're stacking images so they can all be visible in the same scene. Now repeat that process again to add more pictures. Keep dragging each additional image above the others in the timeline so every new picture appears on its own layer. As you add more photos, your collage will start to take shape, even if everything looks overlapping at first. That's completely normal at this stage. Once all your images are added, click on a sample picture and look at the Preview tab at the top. You'll see a small circle or handle around the image. Click and drag that control to begin adjusting the image directly in the preview window. This gives you a quick and visual way to shape your collage without needing complicated tools. Now resize the picture and rearrange its position. Move it into the part of the screen where you want it to sit, and adjust the size so it fits neatly with the other images. Then do the same thing for all the other pictures one by one. Try to space them evenly and avoid covering important parts of each image. If the collage feels crowded, make each photo slightly smaller so everything looks balanced. As you work, keep checking the overall composition in the preview window. The goal is to create a clean, organized layout that looks intentional and easy to view. Once each image is resized and placed where you want it, your picture collage for CapCut videos is complete.